દાખલો 19. 0.1 m સોડિયમ એસિટેટ CH3COONA ના જલીય દ્રાવણનો pH ગણો. CH3COOH નો Ka is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5 છે. Kw is equal to 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 14 છે. ઉકેલ CH3COONA aqueous plus H2O liquid प्रतिवर्ती प्रक्रिया CH3COOH aqueous plus NaOH aqueous अथवा CH3COO minus aqueous plus H2O liquid प्रतिवर्ती प्रक्रिया CH3COOH aqueous plus OH minus aqueous. KH is equal to KW upon Ka is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 14 upon 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5 is equal to 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 10. परंतु KH is equal to OH minus whole square upon CO માટે 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 10 is equal to OH minus whole square upon 0.1. માટે OH minus whole square is equal to 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 10 into 0.1 is equal to 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 11. માટે OH minus is equal to under root 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 11 is equal to 7.4 into 10 raised to minus 6. હવે POH is equal to minus log 10 into OH minus is equal to minus log 10 into bracket 7.4 into 10 raised to minus 6 bracket complete is equal to 5.13. pH is equal to 14 minus POH. માટે pH is equal to 14 minus 5.13 is equal to 8.87.